All right, let's talk about the tiny but super practical Canon RF-S 18 to 45 millimeter lens, the everyday zoom that usually comes as a kit lens with Canon's APS-C mirrorless cameras like the R50, R10, and R7. This lens is all about convenience. It's small, lightweight, and once you pop it on, your camera becomes the perfect grab and go setup. At 18 millimeters, you get a nice wide field of view, great for vlogging, travel shots, indoor shooting, and capturing more of the scene. And zooming into 45 millimeters gives you a natural perspective for portrait, street shots, and everyday moments. You also get image stabilization, which is super handy for handheld video or low light photos. Combine it with IBIS on cameras like the R7 and it becomes even smoother. The STM autofocus is quiet, accurate, and perfect for creators who record video because you don't get that annoying focusing noise in your audio. And for a compact lens, the image quality is really solid, sharp enough for YouTube, photos, and daily content. So why buy it? Because it's compact, affordable, stabilized, and extremely versatile. It's the perfect starter lens or daily walk-around lens for any Canon RF-S camera. Who should use it? Vloggers, beginners, travel shooters, and anyone who wants a lightweight lens that handles everything from wide shots to close-up everyday photos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more camera gear videos.